What are 5 things you can do to ruin your car insurance claim? This is Eric Mausner, Tom Graham, personal injury lawyers in Miami, Florida. This is our YouTube channel where we discuss various issues and things related to personal injury law. One of the things you could do to ruin your car claim is lying to the insurance company about your injuries, current injuries, past injuries, just not telling the truth to the insurance company. That's one of the fastest ways to kill your car claim.
I think number 2 would be talking to the insurance company, telling them too much or speaking to them too early without knowing your rights. An example of that might be that the day after a car collision, the insurance adjuster gives you a quick call and says, hey, why don't we take care of this? I'll send you a check right now for $2,500. That might excite you and you say, sure, send it over, and you cash that check. Then a week later, you realize you're really hurt. It's too late. Once you've accepted that, the case is over.
Not reporting your case to the police, that could kill your case, not necessarily, but it may create an uphill battle. So if you are in a car accident, call the cops, report it, don't wait.
Number 4, not getting medical care, refusing medical care, or not getting treatment within the first month or so. A lot of times we get these tough blue-collar guys, they want to be tough guys, right? They never would go in an ambulance to the hospital, even if they're really hurt and bang their head, whatever. Don't be that guy. Go get help, get checked out, because primarily, make sure you're healthy, make sure you're good. The other thing is, if you don't get treatment, the insurance companies are going to point that out and they're going to say, if you're really hurt, you would have seen someone within 2 weeks, or if you're really hurt, you wouldn't have waited 2 months and then went to a chiropractor. So take your medical care very seriously.
Number 5, not recording evidence of the crash itself. You should take videos, photos, not just of the cars and the damage, but of any injuries, of the intersection, any traffic control signs, lights, the road, debris. Perhaps there was an object on the road that caused the crash. Take photographs of everything you can to document the incident. It's for the insurance company that you need to prove that the claim happened, and it's also useful if your case has to go to trial.
But I think the biggest way you can screw up your auto collision claim occurs years or even months before the collision happens, and that's by not getting yourself a policy of underinsured or uninsured motorist collision insurance. So many people in Florida will get calls about car accidents. It can be even devastating car accidents, and they're shocked to learn the other driver had no insurance. A lot of these people you see driving like lunatics on 95 don't have insurance. They didn't spend any money to get coverage. The best thing you can do is spend a couple $100 every year and get yourself a policy that's called a UM policy. You need to have it. If you don't have it, go out today and get that. Because if there's no insurance money in place, you're not going to be able to recover no matter what.
And that's the biggest tip you could take away from this video, is that you should buy what's called UM coverage, uninsured motorist coverage. You have to actually call the insurance company and select it. If you don't select it, there's actually a form that everybody fills out that rejects UM coverage. So your takeaway for the video today is make sure you have the right kind of coverage if you're driving on the roads of Florida.
I'm Tom Graham. This is Eric Mausner. Thank you for tuning in today. We love to share these tips on plaintiff personal injury litigation. If you're interested, come back, listen to some more. Please leave us some comments or questions, and feel free to reach out to us at any time.